Hello friends, in this video we will configure the S2 database. As we know, the S2 database, it is the volatile database, means whenever we restart the application the data will be erased, all the data will be erased from the database. But in this video we will set up our S2 database as a non-volatile. Okay, so for that, first of all, go to the Maven repository and download the S2 database jar. Okay, so select any of the database jar and copy this. Go in our application, open the POM and add this uh, dependency here. Remove the version as the scope is the test scope and change it to the runtime. Okay, refresh it. Once this dependency is downloaded, open the application.properties file, and I already have some code. So okay, so this is the DDL auto, that is update. Platform is S2. We are enabling the S2 database, that is true. This is our S2 database URL, and this is the URL, that is it will create this sample data, that database file in the C drive in the data folder. Okay, so this is driver class and username password. So if you want this code, so all code I will save in my GitHub repository. You can check the link in the description. The next step is we have to create the entity. Okay, so to create the entity, so create first package. The package is start with the entity. Okay, create the user entity. So to save the time, I already added this code here, and I will explain this code. So our database, in the database, it will create one table, that is the user table. Our user ID is the user ID, first name, and we have one, that is last name. Okay, email and encrypted password. So as of now, we will save as the text, this as the password. But whenever we implement the Spring security, after that we will save the password as an encrypted password. So we will see in the next video series. So create the setter and getters. Okay. Now run our application. So you can see our application is running on the 8080 port. Let's check the S2 database console. Okay, go to this browser and type localhost, and as our S2 database URL is the S2 console that we already configured in our properties file. So this s2.console, hit that and copy paste your JDBC URL. So your JDBC URL, this URL. Okay, so copy this URL and paste here our username and password. Check the test connection, and now check connect. Now you can see our user table is created, and you can see in the data, in the Windows C and in the data folder, our this database file is created. In the next video we will create the user and we will save all the user data in the database. Okay, thank you.